Good day, guys. Being here. Today we're going to try this one. Okay, so this one. When I first see this image, so I think it's very similar to one of the exercise we did before. Let me just try to find it. So this one. So we did this one. Had a play with different options. Both modeling place and also curtain panels. I think it will be very, very easy, like to model something like this just using modeling place. You can just create some like patterns, extrusion, and then just create some void, and then just to create this. But when and then after I read this text, so it need to be any type of image text figures, then probably not. Okay, so we will try Dynamo. So before that, I'll just quickly show you how, if we need to model something like this one, what's the easiest way to do it, I believe. Okay, so now I'll just use model in place. Okay, very, very quickly. So I'll just do a generic model. And then, for example, for the patterns, I'm going to just do an extrusion, right? So I'll just copy, do this. Let me just do, okay, just do maybe 10 by 100. Okay, so maybe 200 to make it, yeah. And then I'll just copy this one. Maybe 100. Okay, so or you can use array, but sometimes it's not recommended to have a large number of arrays in a modeling place, because even Revit will warn you. Okay, so now we have this. So finish. I'll make it like 3 meters high. Let's have a look in 3D view. So this is it. Okay, then we just need to create some void to cut some. Okay, so to create a void, so first go back into the modeling place. So I'm going to use a void. Hang on, let me think. So it doesn't need to be void extrusion. You can also do sweep, but yeah, let's just do extrusion. That's fine. Set wheel plane first, because we want to create this shape on the elevation surface. So I'm going to just pick one of the vertical surface. So this one, and then we can just do some shape. Okay, so let me just quickly do something like this and go up here and finish it, and then give it a thickness. Maybe I'll just type in 50 and then click here, so this will cut. So I'll change to shade SD. Yeah, not perfect, because this cut is extrusion, so it will be 90 degree here, but in the image it's different. You can see it's like a 45 degree. So what we can do is, let me just delete this extrusion, so we can also do sweep. Oh, I choose the sweep solid, but that's fine. We can change the solid into void. So again, set work plane. So just double check. It should be on the vertical plane, but I just want to double check. Okay, so just place the work plane again, and then so first we do a path. So so go back here, so sketch path, and just do a spline. Okay, so this will be the path, right? So finish, and then do a profile. So for a profile, so I'm going to just start from this point and go up. Okay, and then because we need 44, the thickness will be like 50, and also we need to select this one, and then drag this up, so to create an angle on the cut. So finish and finish. Okay, so we have some issue. I think the issue we have is the size of the profile relative to the curvature of the path. So that's fine. We can adjust this a little bit. So let's just do. Let me think. Let's just try to reduce this a little bit. Okay, so to maybe just cover here. Okay, so finish. So probably still not enough because this. So you can see it's very sharp corner. So okay, so this can be a little bit tricky. So I think probably we can't. Yeah, that's fine. So we can always do. Oh, sorry, cancel that. Select profile, edit profile. We can always make this smaller. So make it this small, for example. Okay, so this will make sure so we can create this, right? So and then you can select it, change it to a void, and then use cut geometry. Click on this, click on this. So this will cut. So at least we have this corner here, right? And then for this part, we can then just do another maybe extrusion. Okay, so yeah, I think it's quite simple. So and then you can have multiple of this. Like for example, you can create another one. I'll just quickly copy this one up. Okay, so and then for this one, oops, Rub is a bit slow. Okay, so yeah, so you can see it automatically cuts the solid. So we can just edit sweep. So you can for example, you can edit the sketch. So just change the shape a little bit, you know. And finish, and then you can also change the profile. No, I won't change the profile. Oh yes. I'll just increase the depth. So for example, make it 75. Okay, so and then finish. So this will, create different void. And once again, so to cut away this bit, let me think, what should we do? We need a void best, but we need to have something we can pick, right? So let me try and see if I can pick the edge of the void. Looks like, oops. Yes, we can. See, that's the edge of the void. So I'm going to just, do that, and then, oops, hang on. Let me just SE to make sure, snap to the endpoint. Okay, finish. So this one's 50. That's fine. And then we can, Control C, or just paste this in the same place, and is very slow. So edit extrusion. So this time I'll delete this, pick line, pick the edge of the void again, and drag this onto that endpoint, this onto that endpoint, and finish and type in. So this need to be deeper. So I'll just make it 75 and okay. So now we have this, right? So it's this is very similar to this. So you just need to adjust so you can see this is the final result. Okay, so very simple model in place exercise. Okay, so this is the first part of this video. Of course, the second part, we are going to try Dynamo and use image to create something. Okay, it might be, it will be different to this one, but it will depend. It depends on what image we're going to use. So I will let me think. So I will go to. Let me just go to Manage and go to Dynamo. Okay. So okay. It's a bit slow. Okay, so let's create a new. So first, let's try So see where's the image. So I only did once. Okay, so I'm not very familiar with everything here. So color range, color. Sorry, I'll see if I can search. Okay, so image. So we will need this one. Watch image. I'll change this one to menu for now. And image file. Yeah. So file. File path. Okay. File from path. Yeah. File path and file from path. So file path. So we need to pick an image. Okay. So I'm going to just use this one. Okay. And this is a path. Okay, so this is just like a path, a text, and then connect this one gives us the file itself. Okay, so the file, and then it needs to be an image, right? So this is currently a file, like a .png. We need to have an image from file, so it will be search image again, image from file, read from file. I think it should be this one. Yeah, file. Now it become a image. So yeah, so it's an image. So let's connect this one, see what happens. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So make it smaller. Can't. We can't make it smaller. Anyway, so let's just disconnect that. Just delete it. Okay. And then we need the color. Okay, so color. I'll just search color here. Color. Yeah. I think that's American spell. Color. Not sure which one. Wait, this one. Let's have a look. No. This is to create a color from RGB. RGB. Yeah. We need to display color. So that's this one. Not this one. Sorry. Color. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm not very good at this display. Color. Okay. This is add. This is question mark. So color range. What's this one? No, not this one. Where's the RGB? This is only RGB here. Alpha. Anyway, so maybe just hang on. I'll search RGB. GB. Display. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, still not. Sorry about that. Color. Red. Add. Question mark. Multiple color range. We need a color. Question mark with. Interesting. I can't find it. Anyway, so let's just use red. Now, how about that? So let's have a look. Run. This will give us nothing. Yeah. So it needs to be a image. So from image to color. It's a sample thing. Sample stuff. No, that don't exist. Image. So it should be still image. Image from in pixel. Read from file dimension. Get preview image. So watch image pixel. No. Sorry, this is a bit. So be geometry display. Color watch. No. Revit. Add general Revit. No. Revit. Import. Export image. Great. From pixel to color, right? No. This is color. We need this one. Pixel. From image to color. So no. I'm not sure which one to use. dimension from pixel with height from pixel. What's this one? No, not this one. Oh, we need to, yeah, this is a little bit, let me try again. So image to color. Sorry about that. I will, you know what? I will save, because I did this before, right? So I think that's that one. I'll call this 2, and I'll open that one. Oh, hang on, 2, yeah, 1, home 1. I'm not sure where. Should be this one. Open this. Okay, so this is easier. So you know what? I'm not going to do it again because I'm very bad at this. So I'm going to just explain, just show you. Okay, so first, file path, right? So we find this file. So file path. So this is convert path to file, and then convert file to image, and then image. So of course we can, if I click on run, you can see this, right? You already see this, and connect this image to image pixel. So this gives us, okay, so actually I think we've seen this one. This gives us a list of points. So you can see I give this integer slider. So in x direction, so y direction, so 100 on each direction. So it gives us 10,000 of, you know, a point. Each point will give us a color, so RGB color, so it's a number. Okay, so now with this I used, so you can choose. Actually, I'm not sure how to convert this. There must be a way to convert RGB to a like a grayscale or something like that, but I didn't do that. I just only used one of the color, like for example a red color or a blue color. So in this scenario, we don't need both. We only need one. Okay, so just this one's red. I'll just move this down. Oh yeah, so this is only to just have a test. Okay, so this is just a test. Okay, the main part of this one is, so you know, go up. What I did is I used this blue color here. Where here? Right, use this number, and I use the division. So because the maximum RGB number is 250, the minimum is 0. So I use a division to divide the blue, the number of the blue by 250. So which gives us another list of a number between 0 and 1. Okay. So this is so I can use this number for normalized curve. Normalized, what's that called again? So you know, we usually, when we do adaptive families, if we place a point onto an edge, so we can get we can use a number between 0 and 1 to control where this point sits on that line. So okay, so this is all the dot, and then so this is set parameter. So give this number to that parameter, so we can control. So just ignore this because I created a family. So when I test this one, so now we're going to go back to the family. So I need to minimize this. We need to create a family so we can use that script onto that family. Okay, so let's do it. So go to new family. So it will be a let me think. It need to be a either adaptive family or pattern based family. So let's just do pattern based family. Okay, so generic model, pattern based. Okay, so Okay, so now we need to think. Oh, what's going on? Where is my curtain panel, family curtain? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Looks like my Revit is not happy today, so maybe I need to restart my computer. So, okay, so we need to think, what can we do to have something like very, very different between a 0 and 1, so just using one parameter. Okay, so what I can think of is to just place a couple points on these two reference line. Just select this one. So this is measured from here. So let's just flip this one, same. Okay. So now select these 2 points, and I'll create divide by whole. No, another one. Create a parameter. So see, normalize the curve parameter. So this is the one I was talking about. So it's always a number between 0 and 1. So when it's 0, it go to this end. When it's 1, to go to the other end. Okay. When it's 0.5, it sit in the middle. So now we're going to just select these two, create a parameter. So I just call it maybe n. Okay, so n, lowercase n, instance, and OK, and OK. So now we're going to select both of them, connect them, create a reference line, and then I'll select this one together with this. So I'll just create a form. Okay, so now you can see we have 3 options. So pick the one that's on the right hand side to create a surface. So now we have this one, surface. So which will give us, if I type in 0, oh hang on, yeah, this is an issue. When we type 0, there will be an error, unable to, because yeah, but I think should be fine. When we place this one into a family or a project, Revit will usually automatically fix this issue, and I think it should be fine. Let's just leave it there. So if we need, we can always come back and try to work out a way to avoid this. Okay, so because even just having a warning telling you, oh, something's wrong, but Revit fix it, it's not good, not good enough. So okay, so this is the family, and then we're going to load not into this project, because we can't use Dynamo in a project, and because we're going to use mass, and we can't use Dynamo in a model in place mass. So we have to create a new conceptual mass instead. Okay, so go create a mass, and in this conceptual mass, I'm going to just do a very simple line. Okay, so I just draw a line, and from this line, I'm going to create a form. Okay, so maybe I'll just make it a little bit shorter, 2 meter. Oh, that's too, maybe 10. Okay, yeah, and maybe make it 10 by 10. Okay, so now we can use divided surface. I'm going to make it 100 by 100, because the reason why I use a big number is if there's not enough of these families, you won't be able to see the image at all. So it's okay. So, and then we go back to the family and load this one into that family. Okay, so conceptual mass, and select this one. Go to select the family. So this will give us not an image, but a pattern-based family with that family we just did. Okay, so it's a bit slow. This is because my computer is very slow. So and actually yeah, it will probably, I think it's probably, we should probably reduce the number, but anyway, so we have been, it's already halfway, but okay, almost there, come on. Okay, so now we have this. So you can see this is a pattern-based family with all that family with that this one loaded, right? So you can see you can even tab select one of them. So because that's a parameter, so that's instance parameter here. So you can control it manually, right? So you can type in a number, it will change the look of that. So right. So now we can hang on, let me think. So now we can go back to Dynamo, and this is the thing, because we create this, we opened this Dynamo script when we have that project opened. So now Dynamo say, you can't, it's not pointing at the correct document. That's fine. So what we need to do is just save it, okay, and close it. And then just make sure you're running you have that family conceptual mass. Oh hell! Oh, sorry. So because Dynamo is always on top of Revit, so this is quite annoying. So anyway, so make sure you have this mass on the top. Okay. So and then close it. It's not closing. What's going on here? Close. It won't close. How about close Dynamo instead? Okay, so go back to Dynamo again. And open it. Let's just open this one. Which one? This one. Okay, so now there's no warning. Okay, and then go back here. So family type, just need to make sure you pick the the correct one. So family 2, what's this one? Or tab select one of that family. Family 2. So that's correct, and match that parameter. So correct, everything looks fine. So I'm going to just run this and click on this. So this will take a little while because of the number and also because of my slow computer, but I think it will work because I did I test this. Okay, so maybe I'll just go back here. Oh hell, still Revit struggling in the background, but we want to have a look. It won't even. So actually, there's one thing I'm not quite sure about this because I'm my limited, Dynamo knowledge. So how to properly? It's done. Great. So let's have a look. So what I was trying to say is I just use flatten the list because I don't know how to properly just sequence all those points and try to properly matching because it's in two directions, so 100 on one direction and the 100 on the other direction, so I don't know how, so I just use a flatten and it looks like it works. So I think it's probably not the best way of doing this, but at least it works. So now let's zoom out. Upside down. Okay, so how do we I don't know. How do we what's going on? Okay, all good. So so can you see me and EJ here? Okay, so I don't know how to rotate this one. Maybe, but I believe if I just type in a negative number, we might maybe we can just type in 180. I don't know. Let's try. Okay, so and hopefully, yeah, it will take a long time again. Almost there. Yeah, maybe it won't let me show you the script. So at least while it's running, I can I'll just delete this one. So it's not important. That's only to show the image. Not important, not important, not important. Okay, so this is, I'm using the blue. You can use any other. So you can adjust the number of this sampling thing. Don't need this one. This is just to show the image. Okay, so you can just delete it and connect it. I'll just tidy them up. So I can just stop and you can do a screenshot or something. So you can create your own. Okay, so yeah, I think that's probably it. No crossing as well. Okay, better. Okay, so that's much better. So let's have a look in Revit. Go. Yeah, it works. See? Oh, maybe this way. Yeah. See? You can see. So this is a pattern, a massing with pattern-based family, and then we use a Dynamo to create to set parameter of these pattern-based family. So to create something from an image. Okay, so this is what it is. Yeah. So I will. Let me just. Still not too wide. I'll just maybe do this. So I'll just stop there for a few seconds so you can have a. Okay, I think this is enough. Again, this is from an image, and then use image pixels to get some number. And use blue color, and you divide it by 255 to get a number between 0 and 1, and then set parameter by name. Okay, so use the family we did, which is a very simple family. You can also create a different family. So hang on. So okay, so have you done a screenshot of this? Okay, so yeah, you can do a different family. For example, you can use maybe a circle and then change the size of a circle instead of doing this. Yeah. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, I think that might be a good idea. So you know what? I'll pause and I'll have a try of different family. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay, I'm back, and yep, this is another. I just try a different family, so you can see it also works. So, but yeah, my computer is very slow. So yeah, this family is what I did is I create also a pattern-based family. I create some reporting parameters between all the adaptive points. So and then I use formula to control that a radius, maximum radius of this ball, and then I use that n we previously did, and times n. So which means this this size of the ball will be controlled by a number between 0 and 1. So when 0 is minimum and 1 is maximum, and then I load this into here and then run this script, and of course change the user family, change the family name to match, and then this is the result. Okay, so yeah, so you can do different family, but yeah, as long as there's a parameter to control it, it will work. Okay, so this is it. I will upload this family, yeah, and you can have a play, and also just yeah, try to create this from it's all basic one, so yeah, you should be able to do it yourself. Okay, so thanks. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.